Château La Gaffelière, Château La Gaffelière, Château La Gaffelière. The typical French pronunciation, Château La Gaffelière. Château La Gaffelière is a premier Grand Cru Classé, a first growth, a classified growth of the famous 2012 classification of the wines of Saint Emilion in the Bordeaux wine region of France. Château La Gaffelière is one of the oldest family-owned vineyards in the Saint-Émilion area. Like is common on the left bank of the Garonne river, Chateau La Gaffelière wine is Merlot-dominant, with a small proportion of Cabernet Franc, so Merlot-dominant blend with a little bit of Cabernet Franc. The estate is located just south of the village of Saint Emilion as you come down the limestone plateau, next to the famous Chateau Pavie and close to Chateau Ausone. La Gaffelière counts with about 20 hectares of vineyards, 50 acres, and as we said, with mostly Merlot vines. The red wine of La Gaffelière is matured for about 20 months in French oak barrels before release. Château La Gaffelière should not be confused with the next door estate Château La Gaffelière. They were once part of the same property but belong to different owners now, with different staff and winemaking teams. If you want to learn more about the classification of the wines from Saint-Émilion, I made a video explaining how it was done and why some wines are considered better than others. I will link to that video at the end of this very video. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.